In case you missed it, in June we told you about the new AI Developer webinar series, which covers the latest in frameworks, optimization tools, and new product launches. Check out the on-demand webinars that include Introduction to Reinforcement Learning Coach, Introduction to Intel Distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit and WinML, and Introduction to NLP Architect. There's also a 3-part video series, The AI Opportunity. Episode 1 covers compute power and the growth in AI opportunities for developers, where Intel AI computing expert Wei Li shared his views on the opportunities and challenges in AI, how Intel is supporting, and where we're heading next. Episode 2 covers where AI is going. Wei Li shares how natural language processing is a huge growth area. And Episode 3 covers the challenges to AI. Wei Li discusses how data labeling, which is currently performed manually, is one limitation to greater AI usage. We released our new video series, AI Practitioner's Guide for Beginners, featuring Benish Zia. If you are someone who knows the basics of AI or has taken courses online for machine learning, but have always wondered where and how to get started, this series is a great place to begin. It provides you with a high-level overview of business and data strategy that a machine learning practitioner needs to know, followed by a detailed walkthrough of how to install and validate one of the popular artificial intelligence frameworks, TensorFlow, on the Intel Xeon Scalable platform. In case you missed it, check out these stories from our channel in the links, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.